Three things to know here. We are looking at a cool overnight, but we are looking at rain showers and thunderstorms that will be possible as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday. Any rain that does fall is much needed rain. And then as we get to Friday, it turns very warm and in fact hot around here possibly as we get to Friday and the weekend. Here's your extended forecast here. There's your rain and storm chances Wednesday and Thursday around 70 or the 70s Wednesday, 70s to around 84 Thursday. And then there's your warm up for Friday, Saturday and Sunday with a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Your extended forecast for your UP community coming up here in just a bit. All right, here's the hot weather coming on in. It's going to be building, the heat that is, across the northern plains as we get to Thursday and also for the daytime on Friday. You'll really notice it by the time we get to Friday here across the upper Midwest and the northern plains here. And this hot weather, this batch of heat is going to head our way as we get into the weekend here with some spots around 90 or the 90s, especially by the time we do get to Sunday. So as we look at temperatures right now, it's a pleasant evening out there. Don't need any fans or air conditionings for tonight, but make sure the fans, I think, are ready to go by the time we get to Friday night here, folks. We're having temperatures in the 40s near Lake Michigan, 50s to around 60 across the rest of the UP. High temperatures today in the 60s and 70s, 73 for Sawyer and also Ironwood, a little bit cooler as you head towards Lake Michigan, and 66 was today's high temperature for Munising. Officially at the Weather Service today, 75 was today's high, 43 today's low. Downtown Marquette at the U.S. Coast Guard, 59 and 46 were today's numbers. As we look at future weather here for tonight's low temperatures, on average about 40s and 50s. Some clouds may pass on through, but we should get through the night dry. Here comes your rain showers and thunderstorm chances, though, as we get into Wednesday afternoon. Look for high temperatures on Wednesday afternoon around 70 or the 70s. Any rain showers or thunderstorms should be done by tomorrow night, and the rest of the night should be dry as we head into Thursday morning. Low temperatures, though, a little bit milder, and then I think by the time we get to Thursday, going to start to notice a little bit more warmer weather, and definitely we're going to notice the warmer weather as we get to Friday. Rain and thunderstorm chances once again on Thursday. Friday, there's your much warmer temperatures. I think more spots get into the 80s by the time we get to Friday afternoon. Here's your extended forecast for your UP community. First for Marquette County, we're going to have temperatures that will be in the 70s for Wednesday, around 80 for Thursday, 80s by the time we do get to Friday and also Saturday. And look at that, by the time we get to Sunday, around 90 degrees. For the eastern UP, we're going to have temperatures as you go inland in the 70s for Wednesday and Thursday, around 80 by the time we get to Friday, and then into the 80s, perhaps well into the 80s for inland areas by the time we get to Saturday and Sunday. For Delta County and Escanaba, we'll have temperatures in the 70s away from the lakeshore on Wednesday. Thursday, around 80 inland to around 70 near the lakeshore. And then for Friday, we're looking at temperatures in the 80s, around 90 though by the time we get to the weekend as you go inland. As we look at the interior west and along the Michigan-Wisconsin border, 70s for Wednesday, around 80 for Thursday, perhaps well into the 80s on Friday, and then around 90 or the 90s for the weekend. And then as we look at the Keweenaw Peninsula, we're looking at temperatures in the 70s on Wednesday, 70s to perhaps around 80 well inland for Thursday, and then for Friday we're looking at temperatures in the 80s, especially well inland. And then temperatures on Saturday and Sunday will range from around 80 or the 80s right along Lake Superior to around 90 or the 90s this weekend as you go inland, especially well inland. For weather anytime, download our WJMN Local 3 app, also online at upmatters.com, and you can find us on Facebook as well at WJMN TV.